Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about logical operators in SQL, which is and, or, and not. So what that means is this is a database and you want data from the database, you want to view data from the database, but you also want to view either or data, such as you want to think about a database as a closet and there are clothes in it, and you want to have option to view if you have a blue hoodie in that closet, or you want to look up a red hoodie in the closet. So you can use or operator in that case, and if you want both the hoodies you can use and operator, and you just want to skip the hoodie and you only want jacket, then it's not. So I'll explain it by working on it. So what you gotta do is, we have learned where clause. If you have not learned where, if you don't know what the where clause is, just view this video. I have pasted here the link. And so select star from my table where you want to select country, which is equals Canada. We want record of people who live in Canada, or you can use or operator and see country equals India. So that means we will find all the records we have from the table who live in Canada or in India. That is or operator, and here are some of the records. See, there's one India and all of them are from Canada. And this is how you use or operator. Now let's go to and operators. From my table where country equals Canada, and we can use this result here, and we can see, okay, let's suppose we want to see particular record, this number 1, which says country is Canada, and we want his currency to be 45.92. Did you understand that? That means it will only show the record whose column matches those two conditions. So country has to be Canada and currency has to be 45.92. So let's do this. And currency equals, this is also string, so $45.92. there's dollar sign, so this is a string. String means not integer, like not a number, it's, let's say, text. See, you can see the record which have country Canada and then currency 45.92. so this is how we do and operators. Now the final one is not operator. So what you got to do is select all the data, all the column from my table where not means you don't have it, country, this country is not equals to Canada. See, it will so all the records whose country is not Canada. So this is how we use logical operators. And in SQL we can also use this to find not. What you got to do is where country is exclamation equals Canada, that means not Canada. It will still show the same result. So you can use where not, or you can use where country not equals Canada. That what it means, not Canada and not equals. I hope this lesson was very helpful to you guys. If you like this content, please give it a like, share and subscribe, and I will come back with more videos. I'll make it seem very easy and I'll make you a good data analyst by the end of the course. Thank you.